Good morning, you guys. It is Vlogmas Day 7, and I am not leaving the house at all today. I got housework to do. I still have the same old gifts to wrap that I haven't wrapped yet. Kind of sort of straightened my room up. Didn't vacuum yet. I'm not going to do that until after I finish gift wrapping. And then all these boxes right here. I was saving them because I didn't know if I was going to need boxes for certain gifts, so I think I'm just gonna throw them away. And I got laundry to do. It's not a lot, it looks like a lot because I have comforters in the bottom ones, but I got laundry to do, which is not a lot. I have 3 wigs that I need to 3 wigs that I need to do. Shampoo, blow dry, and flat iron. And that's it. There's nothing to do downstairs. Everything is clean downstairs. And I was actually going to go sit at the table downstairs and wrap these gifts. But I said, no, I'll just sit up in my room and use this table to do this and watch a movie while I'm doing it. Because I've been trying to get out of doing wrapping these gifts for a minute, you guys. For a minute. I don't even know what time it is. I know I woke up early. Let me look at my phone and see what time it is, you guys. Oh, it's only 9:35. And it's kind of dreary outside, but it's cool because I'm not going around. I got my window open. I got my candle going. It smells so good in here. And I'm not going to vacuum until after I finish wrapping these gifts because I'll be having stuff all over the place. So with that being said, I will be back. It was at this moment that I realized I really did not want to be wrapping gifts. But I just wanted to get it done so that it would be done. And it's done, you guys. Oh my goodness, I forgot to show you guys. I'll put a picture in here showing the ones that I wrapped under the tree. I still have 2 more families gift to wrap. My son and both of my sons. Their families. I'm not even done shopping yet. And this is pretty good considering I shopped a little bit early and I have more stuff to go and get, which I'm going to have more stuff to wrap, which is why I want to wrap all the stuff I have now so it wouldn't be piled up on me because I have no problems getting a big red bag and putting all the gifts that's going to one household in one bag and they got to figure out who it belongs to. I really don't have a problem doing that at all, you guys. But I'm not going to. I am not going to. I'm going to wrap this stuff and get it done. And when I say get it done, get it done. And I think I showed you guys in the beginning of the video the boxes that I had that I didn't throw away. Those is pubs. Previously used boxes. Pubs. Previously used boxes. They came in handy because some of the stuff I didn't have boxes small enough for them. I said, let me go see if this box works. And they worked, you guys. I worked it out. I made it do what it do. So it did what it did. You guys, I don't know how I forgot to get bows and name tags for things. So what I did is cut out some of the wrapping paper, wrote to and from on it, put it in half, taped it to the box. Worked good for me. Okay, you guys, I just got finished wrapping my husband's gift. Now I'm going to wrap my daughter's family's gifts. And I'm using a different color paper, but it still has all that glitter on it. Yeah, that part. And I wasted a whole lot of wrapping paper. I need to get smaller rolls. But somebody asked me to send a shout out to them. So here it goes. Taylor Bedford Keith. Sending a big old shout out to her. She's my daughter from another mother. And she's been in my life since she was like 16 years old. Love her to death. She said, Mom, can you shout me out? You know, because I'm grown now. She's 27. I'm like, oh, you old. But yeah, so she asked me to shout her out, to shot, whatever. So there's that. Shout out Taylor, Tajobi, Bedford, Taylor, Joy. And I do have to add, you guys, that this is not my best wrapping. I knew it needed to be done. That's why I did it. However, I didn't really feel like doing it, but I'm glad I got it done. Because with them sitting under the tree, they don't look that bad. They don't look that good, but they don't look that bad either. All right, I'm in the laundry room doing some laundry, you guys. As I said I was going to be doing, I'm getting everything done that was on my list done today. Okay, you guys, I am finishing up the laundry. And I said I'm just going to finish wrapping all the other gifts and get it over with. And then I'm going to make me some dinner, and I'll probably be back when I make dinner. Now, when I say make it, I'm not making it. I'm just putting it in the oven. And that's it. I don't even feel like cooking it, but since I took it out, I don't want it to go to waste. So, yeah. That's what I will be doing. Now I'm down in the kitchen. I forgot that I didn't wash those dishes this morning. So now I'm washing them because I will not be cooking in a dirty kitchen. I said cooking like I'm about to be making a sauce, seasoning some meat and all that. And all I'm doing is putting some enchiladas in the oven. You guys, I got chicken enchiladas with red sauce. I don't like my chicken enchiladas and green sauce, but I was at Sam's Club and they looked pretty decent. So I got that. And then I got another one. It was with mozzarella cheese, and it was chicken, but I think they said it was chicken Alfredo enchiladas. Yeah, that's what it said in the thing. I thought, okay, well, maybe that'll be good. Child, you guys will see when I take it out the oven. I did taste it. It doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't taste good. It's not like, I probably would never buy it again, but I wouldn't say that it was nasty. It's just not what I expected it to be. And maybe it was because when I cut into it, it was still really hot and not as solid as it should be. But yeah, but right now I'm just cleaning my kitchen. That's it, and that's all. See, I spent damn near my whole day with you guys. Damn near my whole day. And I could have did a video yesterday and then said it was Vlogmas Day 7, but then it really wouldn't be Vlogmas Day 7. And I'm not even getting too Christmassy and all that stuff with Vlogmas. I did show you guys my decorations and everything, because of course I had to do that. I didn't have to, but it only seemed right to show you guys me vlogging, putting up the Christmas trees and stuff. So yeah, but every day is not going to be a Christmas theme whatsoever. And every day is not going to be a hair theme. However, oh my goodness, you guys, I need relaxer. It's cold outside and I don't want to go outside tonight. But you know what? Maybe not. I think I have enough because she's only going to get a retouch tomorrow, and that's fine. I have enough for a retouch. Most definitely. Look at how fast I'm cleaning that kitchen, you guys. I'm cleaning it. Ooh. Those are the enchiladas. And like I said, the one with the red sauce, they were really good, really good. But I only had a little taste of that other one with the white sauce. I don't know. I wasn't feeling, I couldn't do it, you guys. I just couldn't do it. Now I'm turning on all the little Christmas lights and stuff, putting my pillows back where they should be. Moving the table on the rug, you guys. Just trying to get it together. Okay, you guys, the enchiladas are done. That's the regular chicken with red sauce, and this is a new one. It was chicken Riano something. It was some type of cheese. I don't know what type of cheese that is, but I ain't messing with that right now. Plus, it's still super hot. And here's my plate. Of course, I added sour cream, green onions, avocados, and jalapenos with some grape Kool-Aid, you guys. Grape Kool-Aid. What y'all think about that? And now I'm getting ready to sit down and eat dinner and watch a movie and upload this Vlogmas Day 7, okay? I did it 7 days in a row.